Hello friends, welcome back to Central Virginia Jungle. This is the update on my Musa Basjoo. It has received quite the growth spurt and I can't say that I'm not happy. It has just grown and grown and grown, and this summer has been so humid. Not as wet as I'd like it to be, but I've definitely been supplementing water for it. But it has grown maybe at least 3 feet, 2 feet. Since I planted it, it was definitely around this one, this leaf. All of these, I want to say maybe the 5 or 6 up top, these are all brand new leaves. This baby one completely shot up. It's absolutely amazing how fast these grow when the conditions are right. But it had maybe about 4 leaves in total, and it's all the way up here. I will say, I've been having some issues with these Japanese beetles. As you can see, they've really devoured a lot of these leaves, but compared to how it was 2 weeks ago, their population has dwindled like crazy after using some neem oil. And it does look like these are the baby ones. So, I don't know, I have to find another treatment to get rid of them. If not, I'm about to start shooting them. I really am, because get off my banana plants! They've been ruthless when it comes to eating my leaves up, but I'm slowly taking care of the population. The Japanese beetles, I will say, they're pretty strong when it comes to coming back after trying to get rid of them. But there's definitely a smaller population nowadays. And I was able to get most of them before they've done too much damage. But don't you worry. I will make sure to keep my eye out on them. So stay away from my baby. But here I have some of that big new growth coming in. No, it's looking real nice. I'm about to show you how the one in the front looks. The one in the front definitely had some more drought issues than the one in the back, but it's coming back to life as well. But yeah, this is how long has it been? A month and a half, 6 weeks since the last update. So here you go. All right, let me go show you the front one. Alrighty, y'all. And here we have the front Musa Basjoo, the smaller one that I planted. As you can see, these leaves are green. I love to see. We just had a little bit of a rainstorm, and we have a little break before we get our next round of thunderstorms. But as you can see, I'm very happy with how much it has grown. The bottom leaves, we definitely had that drought affected when it was smaller, but it's coming back to life. We've had a couple of rainy weeks, and I've been watering it, and my brother has been watering. Shout out to my brother. But as you can see, the beetles have gotten to a small section on this plant as well, but I took care of them. It was crazy. Maybe I'll try to see if I can find some pictures, but there was at some point maybe like 30-40 beetles just on this Musa Basjoo and the last one. I could definitely go ahead and do a little tutorial on how I got rid of them. Well, most of them at least. But y'all let me know. I didn't have to get a gun out. I just had to use some neem oil to scare most of them away. But yeah, this is the front Musa Basjoo, a little bit smaller, but you definitely can see it's still growing nicely. But yeah, this is how it is 6 weeks in. It's looking like it's enjoying these Central Virginia jungle conditions. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning back in. And I'll catch you all around soon for my next update. Bye-bye, y'all.